Alright guys, so welcome back to Squirel MX. This is a different angle for you guys. I'm trying to move this around. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I'm nervous, I've never done this. Today we're going to get the mail. I have some parts in. But along the way, there's some stuff I need to discuss. Cause super big part of the channel right now. This is insane. Alright, let's start her up. I don't know if you guys remember the old DR. I smell gas though. It kind of stinks. It's like old gas. Oh, she's cold. Like a dream. Alright, whatever. But yeah, I just went and spoke to the guy, Squirel Racing Cup in Squirel, California. Basically, we're getting ready to do my forks. I talked with LA Sleeve. They're booking me out till, I think, October 12th. So, I figure I'm doing some stuff. I'm buying the bolt kit. Shout out to Bolt Motorcycle Hardware, hooking it up absolutely big time. Getting every single bolt, obviously. I'm not going to use any of the old hardware. But I am in a pinch whether I want to use factory connection or the local guy up here. I mean, factory connection would only be the seals, oil, and maybe new bushings. The guy up here would do the exact same. Factory connection is roughly $120 more because I have to ship it out. This guy's local. It's gonna run me, he said, 150 bucks. I just got off the phone with him. 150 bucks. Factory connection is 200 plus the 85 in shipping because they're gonna have to bring it there and back. So that's gonna add up. And if it's the same thing, he's using all good oil, fully synthetic or whatever, doing everything that the other people are doing, I might have a local do it. And yeah, I'll see if he wants to, you know, check out the build, see what's going down. I might bring him up to him when he wants to check them out. If he does, he said he's booked till October, which is perfect. But yeah, guys, on to this video. We're going to go to the post office. I gotta go get the mail. I have some stuff for my mountain bike because along with dirt biking, I really like to ride mountain bikes, and I kind of snapped my derailleur. So we'll do a little moto vlog thing today, I guess. But yeah, let's go. DR still runs a bit rough. Woo. I honestly might have to do a little fix-up bit on this thing. She has some, she's a bit rough. There's an air leak in it, I know for a fact. Alright, so we got the key. First part of the mission is complete, I guess you could say. Alright, so I'm probably talking too loud with this mic. So guys, there has been a massive milestone of mine, and that is, so you guys know, reach 100 subs. And well, we passed it. We're at 101 currently. Suspension's always like, this bike's like a Cadillac. We're at 101 subs right now, which is absolutely insane. We're taking this trail exit. But we're at 101, guys. That is insane. I've been loving the comments. Shout out to like Mike M. He is he seems pretty entertained with the build, which is awesome. I like having an audience. I gotta focus. But he loves the build, supposedly. He's been checking it out. Shout out to him. He sent me told me about some guy's bike. What was his name? I don't know. I'll put a picture up. It's freaking clean. OEM spec. It's absolutely awesome. I got people from where I'm at right now, Forest Hill, watching my videos. People from literally random sites just checking it out. Yeah, it's incredible. I'm literally at a loss for words. I don't know how to express it. I guess I'll be putting out better content. That's for sure. I bought up some stuff to eat last night. I was up a little bit late. As you guys know, I probably said in the last video, we did some home renovation, so I wasn't able to edit videos for a couple days. I almost died. But I bought a new camera mount, and I bought a new mic, shotgun mic for my camera, which is my phone. Yeah, my phone. So it should clip on. And along with that, I'm probably going to update the video quality to 4K. I got another 32 gig SD card. I have like 2 of those, and then a 16 and 2/8. But I'm excited, man. I don't know how to explain it. This is cool. This is something I've been waiting for a good, chunk of time. And I didn't think it was honestly going to happen, but it did. And I'm really grateful for it. I mean, it's cool. I mean, that's a little thing to like put on stuff. Let's see here. And then along with that, shout out to all the sponsors and support for the build. Everybody's really pitching in. Like, it's incredible, all the parts I'm getting. And everyone who's talked to me, given me help. Shout out to all you guys. You honestly know who you are. I've gotten a text from one of the guys saying, "Hey, watch your video, pretty good," from one of the companies. And yeah, I mean, I seriously am at a loss for words. 100 subs, dude? That's literally a milestone. I didn't even know. I was up pretty late. It was at 99 for a couple days, and then I put out my new video on Instagram and Snapchat, just saying, hey, check out the new video. And I got it. But I'm gonna go get them post off for mail, and I'll get right back to you. Well, that's kind of weird. I guess USPS has delayed every single package now, guys. They're so annoying. We'll get back to the video. Just gotta get out of here. Now she's warm. Let's see here. That guy was just backing out. He saw me too. It's cool. I just wonder what's gonna go on from here, So here's where is a little informational part. So I need help on what you guys want from the videos coming up. I don't know what to do, because I don't know what everybody's interested in. The YZ build kind of took off, and also, riding, that's another big thing that I have some audience on. So my horn doesn't work, bummer. So I need you guys' help. Comment down below what you guys want other than the YZ. The YZ's staying, buddy. Like, I love that bike. It's gonna be so sick. I don't think I'm gonna sell it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna get back to my house. I gotta find out where this package is. Oh yeah, one more thing. New content's gonna be coming. I might be a little bit different because this is a dirt bike channel, but I wanna throw maybe some mountain bike content in there. Do like a daily thing, maybe like a daily, not a vlog, a daily YouTube video, just kind of hanging out every day. Like, some days I'm gonna do that. I hope you guys are interested in that. Just take you guys with me. Auburn made a bike park, so I might be going there really soon. But yeah, that's literally it. I've just been running on for a while. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh shoot, that's in gear. Oh my god, I swear to god. Dude, why does this neutral light never come on? Big drifts. squirrel. Oh, no. Oh, no. I just hit a squirrel. Oh, is my GoPro on? Oh my God, it was on. Oh, I just hit a squirrel, dude. Oh, is he gone? I heard him, he screeched. Where did I hit him? I hit him too. I heard him, where is he? I don't know where he is. Hopefully he's good, I mean. I thought I hit it right here. Oh, I know I hit it. Oh, shoot. Oh, poor guy, dude. No way.